Hi, I'm Aaron with Archer Landscape Design. Most homeowners don't realize this, but when you hire a design-only firm, the person who draws your plans is not the person responsible for building them, and that's where things fall apart. The designer creates something that looks beautiful on paper, then the contractor discovers it doesn't fit your property. Your grading, your access, your budget, and you end up stuck in between them. At Archer, that never happens because we are a true design-build firm. We design what we build, and we build what we design. And because of that, we offer something that almost no one else does, 100% buildable plan guarantee. If we design it, we can build it. If we price it, we stand behind it, based on the plan as drawn. And if something needs to be adjusted, we take responsibility, not you. Clients who've worked with design-only firms know how rare this is. They look at our design retainer and say, how in the world are you providing this level of design at this price? The truth is simple. You're not paying for a lot of drawings. You're paying for certainty and a design backed by the same team who will bring it to life. That's the Archer difference, and that's real accountability.